Welcome to the Nog Vlog. We're headed out on the Luminosa tomorrow to Alaska, so we're stopping here in Seattle for the day, playing simple tourist. We're gonna hit up some of our bucket list places like Beecher's over here on the corner. Got some apple cider to start our day. We're gonna do a little shopping and see where Pike's Place takes us.
What do you think, Charlie? How's it taste? No thumbs? It is pretty good. It's helping you not be hangry.
I still won, and it was really good. It's like got that good sharp cheddar flavor.
Smoked salmon mac and cheese. It's pretty good. Kind of spicy. Just the right amount of fishiness. I don't know if I can eat this whole thing. This is an 8-ounce. So there's no need to get more than that.
I got the turkey grilled cheese. It's got the Beecher's spread, flagship cheddar, tomato turkey. Straight.
She was too quick. We only had the remnants. How was it? Powdery?
Get cinnamon sugar. It's good. It's kind of zesty.
Zangy?
It's got like a little lemon zest in it, maybe.
You got it in that bag.
Sprinkle powdered sugar, cinnamon sugar. How disgusting it is. Don't touch anything.
Hey, look, they made hearts with their gum.
Ooh, okay, that's cute.
That's rose gum. I'm putting my green gum on a heart.
It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Stick it in a little bit. There you go.
Alright, I'm gonna put mine in a cool spot on my shoes.
Oh no! Come off, fell.
I salvaged the other person.
I wonder if they ever scrape this off.
Absolutely not. Are you gonna try to preserve your bubble? Okay. All right, let's see what you got. That's good. That's good. It's like a jellyfish popping out. Oh, it's beautiful.
Right? Beecher? Oh,
We know which big punch you've taken home.
Were you watching where the other hand was going?
We just finished up here at Pike's Place Market. It was really fun, very cute, catchy. If you need some souvenirs, try some local cuisine, lots of things to do. It's a little overwhelming and confusing. There's lots of levels, but if you pay attention to the little handwritten paper signs everywhere, it really helps you. We were looking for the gumball and there was all these little signs with arrows, so pay attention to that. Super helpful. But we're wrapping up here, enjoying this beautiful view, and we are gonna head over to the Space Needle.
Hey, look, this is under us right now, Charlie. This is all under us. Look, this is what it looks like. Here's the full model. Not all that big.
That's pretty awesome. Joker.
We'll have to look at that when we're down at the bottom.
Yeah, who built that? Oh no, and the cowboy's hanging on for dear life.
Here comes the elevators.
So pretty. See the ocean. I see a cruise ship out there. Yeah. Ooh, look, the world. Look at that giant blue. That's pretty cool. Look at all the people out there. Ooh. You did great.
All right.
Okay, look, there's 2 layers. You can stay in this part or you can go out there. I might go out there just for a second to check it out. You can stay close to the glass and you can go out all the way.
Okay.
Okay.
If you go outside, I'll get you some food.
Got my Seattle cider.
Did you see that yellow car? Yeah, I got that. Wait.
Charlie, when we leave tomorrow on our cruise ship, we're gonna leave from right over there. We're gonna sail out that way.
Stay close to this hole. So you're yeah, just stay right there with me until we
Okay.
Bye.
To the locker.
Okay, just walk on this like a balance beam.
No.
Walk on the glass part.
My heart is like pounding.
Walk on that part.
No, feel my heart for real. It's like going so fast. You're scared too.
Why did I pick the one with the crack in it?
There's
No. I told you I saw a spider coming up. Come on, I'll hold your hand.
What's wrong, Daddy? Daddy's gonna fall.
We were about to leave. What if I stand next to you?
So scary.
I'm pretty sure you're only a quarter of the way in. Are you dizzy?
I want to stand up. I'm scared I may fall down.
You scared? You're that dizzy? Can you believe you were all the way up there?
No.
You were on that elevator too.